How to log into your Sephora Credit Card account online. Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how can you log into your Sephora Credit Card online. So let's get started. First, as you have to open any browser on your system. After you open browser, in the search field, you'll have to search for Sephora Credit Card online. After you search for that, simply from there, you'll have to just find out the option for Sephora Credit Card Program Community from the Breed Financial. After you find it, tap on that. The URL will be like thecommunity.net. After that, from the section, you'll have to scroll down and tap on Sign In. From here, you'll have to just provide your username and password. After you enter your correct username or password, you'll have to just tap on sign in. If you haven't forgotten your username or password, tap on the option forgot username or password. After that, from there, you can easily recover or log into your Sephora credit card online. If you found this video helpful, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.